You look a bit big for the car, mate.
Shut up.
He's at it again. Ladies and gents, here's the new project, yo. Jeez! It is a filthy mierda. Non-runner currently. Gassed about this project, yo. Really rusty, but yeah, it's all dirty and everything. But you know how we do. Keep tuned on this, yo. Gonna be a beauty, yo. This was what excited me. Look how clean that is. Not just that, yeah. Like, this is rare to see on any car. And I think this has got 33,000 miles. Look at that. Like, brand new. I can't wait until we hear this all run together. So, currently we're making progress. First mission done. This door actually opens now. And there was a dirty spider that just left. Let's test it out. Jeez! But it hasn't done that in years. So currently, what we've done, we've taken out all that unnecessary wiring there. Got the clocks back in just to see if we got some ignition lights. Brother's already checked the plugs. Said they're spanking clean, thankfully. Yeah, let's see if it's running now. Right, moment of truth. Oh, right, so we're going to just crank it, yeah?
Yep. A tip, always put them in by hand first. Yeah, because the last thing you want to do is cause any engine damage.
Top tip for you today. Look.
Never over tighten them either, otherwise you could break a plug.
So where is it? Literally one notch.
Yeah.
Hand tighten and then one notch in. What? On the button! Yo! One day, we've literally a couple of hours. Jeez! Yes! Wow. We smashed it, yo. Yo. It's running, but let's see if it's driving. I don't see why not. Tis Jap, by the way. Still plenty of work to do to it. Oh, it moves. Right, we've got a running and driving car. As you can see, all the panels are pretty much back together. Oh, well, apart from that door card.